Hello YouTube, Asian Legos with another consecutive review of Legos. Okay, so this is a custom Brickmania kit by Daniel Siskind. Let's start out with the minifigures. Now, it's a nice minifigure. It's printing. It'll focus, I think. Come on, focus, baby, focus. There we go. Okay, so grin face, a black hat, and that's printing. Only one-sided though. Black clothes, yellow hands, same old, same old. Now it's a nice custom print. See the scarf there, a holster and two pockets, I say. Yep, mostly it. Let's get on to the box. So the box is pretty big. It is a Panzer IV Ausf F2 German medium tank from World War II. An original custom Lego kit designed by Daniel Siskind. Brickmania Lego logo. Number 216G. I don't know what the G is for though. Maybe it's like, the modified version like, contains 720 Lego elements, brick arms, weapons, and printed building instructions. Yep. And then my certificate of authenticity. Oh yeah, got the shirt. Got number 139 of, I don't know, 216 or something. His signature. Okay, on the certificate. Brickmania certificate of authenticity. Panzer IV Ausf F2, model number 216G, serial number 139, batch number 4, date assembled January 18, 2011. His signature, yeah. I got it for my birthday. It was $155, currently at brickmania.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Here are some of the instructions. Not going to show you it because that's illegal. It's his design. Picture. Yep. Okay, so onto the tank itself. 720 pieces. Pretty. I thought it was going to be larger, but no. Interesting tread design. It's fairly delicate. Rolls smoothly, but not on Lego studs, carpet and stuff. Maybe your head. The side, yeah. Some nice details. Spare tires for the treads. A stick, I don't know why though. An antenna that can fold down and up and the other way. And a hatchet. And an engine. Yeah. The turret can go not 360 degrees. It stops there, and it stops there. And then the gun is posable up and down. The bricks arms MG42. I'm not going to tell you how he put it in. It's amazing. Okay, so the only delicate part is this right here. It falls off of the stick real easy. 2 studs only holds it up. That's, yeah. It's meant more for stop motion and things than play. And yeah, mostly. Okay, so take off these pieces here to reveal the internals. Now, some details I put in myself to customize it. Sort of customized, not really. And this engine right here is off. Well, the hatch. MG42 right there. It does not come with this guy. It's my own custom. Not really custom, but you know. I put a Luger, not a Luger, L96 broom handle, I think that's what it's called. I added that telephone right there, and controls, and engine right here. It goes on the spinny thing, kind of hard to spin in this tight spot, but yeah. Okay, so, yep. Then I put this guy in here, just fold him up, stick him on the stud. Yep. I'll put it back together to show you one more time, and then that's the end of the review after this. Those are hatches that do not open up. And then C-sight thing there, right there. The hatches on the top actually do open up and close though. Kind of difficult. Whoopsies. Yep, like that. Then you open them again. And sit this guy down. Fold up his arms. Yep, and like that. It's a nice, beautiful tank. I got it for my birthday. It's $150 currently, and $155 with shipping in the US, I think. No, maybe. I don't know. So, nice big tank. Maybe like 8 inches long. Minifig scale, 1/35 scale of the actual tank. Yep. If you want to go buy it, go buy it. Brickmania.com. $150. Yes. And it's shipped. And currently, right now, like as of today, it takes 2 to 4 weeks. But the good thing was, he only took 9 days to get it ready and shipped to me, and then in 5 days it got to me. The only one slight problem was he forgot to send me the hands that for the minifigure right here. So those are my own hands, but the problem was solved. I sent him and contacted him, and he said the hands are on the way. Shipped it to me. Yep, very nice set. 1, 2, it's 21 studs by 9 studs. 21 studs by 9 studs. That's fairly large. Expecting something bigger, but you know, can't always expect most of it. And yeah, it's the end of the video. Bye.